Hey everyone, CJ here, Crystal, hitting on what name I remember I'm supposed to answer to. Here with another project that I'm going to make using the November Jolie Kit Club's mixed media kit. I do not have, I've already done 2 projects, so I'm just wanting to use up the last of my flowers. I have these flowers left that came in this month's kit. They were Prima. They were a 16 pack of Prima paper flowers, and I have 7 of them left, so I decided to alter some of these pumpkins. These ones, I can't say where I got these from. I got them last year, possibly Dollar Tree, possibly Walmart. But these that I'm just now opening, I did get at Walmart. That pumpkin patch is from Walmart. So, my first order of business, is going to be, unless this one's bigger now, let me see. It is. There we go. My first order of business is going to be sticking my stack together. Just going to make a pumpkin stack. So there's that. That's my first part, making my pumpkin stack. And I'm gonna set it aside. My second one, second step, second agenda, second thing I want to do is my flowers are going to be adhered, but I really want to spray. I'm going to use some of the paint, some of the turquoise Inca Gold paint. I'm going to use that, and some of the Prima mica powder. Both of these came in the November kit, and I'm going to use it to make a turquoise shimmery mist, a homemade shimmery mist. I know this is going to look weird, but I have a plan. And now for my homemade mist on top. And I'm actually going to let this soppy, wet mess sit here, absorb, and partially dry naturally while I eat my lunch. Because I really, really, really want the color to soak in to the flowers. Finished my lunch. You can see obviously what direction my floor slants, but you can also see how much is absorbed. I'm going to set these off to the side to finish air drying. Oops. This is the other danger of soaking them. I'll have to glue those back together. They're going to need to be reshaped. So this, I'm going to let dry overnight my pumpkin stack. And I'm going to let my flowers dry overnight. Ew. See where to go from there. My gel, I'm back. It's the next day. It's that dry time. My gel in between I was probably not like perfect dry, but it's dry enough that it stays together. Although it is a little top, it wobbles. I'm gonna have to figure out, I'm gonna have to add something for weight at the bottom. I don't know what to do for that yet. But because this is going to involve some of that and the crackle paint. Well, the crackle paint's white, but anyways, I want part, but I'm not sure which parts of the natural color of my unnatural pumpkins to show. I'm going to use clear gesso. So I am going to there we go, crackle paint from this month's mixed media kit. There we go. I have let this dry overnight, mostly because I turned off my computer when we had thunderstorms come through. But you can see all of the lovely crackles in the paint. It doesn't seem like it's gonna really flake off at me, so that's good. I mean, I'm sure if I got violent with it, it would, but it seems to be doing what I want so far. Now, for my turquoise, my Inca Gold turquoise from this month's kit. I'm just going to use this brush, and this shows a good example. Right in here, you can see the natural color through the cracks. So I think I'm going to let those natural colors come through the cracks. I have these flowers. They're definitely dry. But they're also kind of going to be needing to be reformed. So there's that. And this is a quick drying paint. So it's not exactly, I should go like that. I think for now I might be done with the paint. I had thought about this when I was doing it. This is just, it's one of the mesh baggies that the pumpkin sets come in when you get them. It has that at the bottom. Let me see. I don't know if it's jute. I think it's just a thin jute twine. And, but first of all, I need this to stay put. My first act is going to be to glue this base on, or to glue the bottom down in a, so it won't slide around on me how I don't want it. And this will actually, I might put on extra. I think it'll help me counterbalance the weight. I think I'm gonna have to wait. I need it sitting up. I have to wait for my bottom to dry before I can finish this.